This 2024 DRV Mobile Suites MS Houston is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corsicana, Texas, 75510 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Corsicana. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new DRV is 46 feet 0 inches in length and features a SYMPHONY interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front bath, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.